In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop pictures in PowerPoint. We often overlook this simple yet invaluable skill, but it's time to rediscover the forgotten basics. So let's dive in and learn how to easily crop images within your PowerPoint presentations. First, you'll want to start by opening PowerPoint on your computer. Make sure you have your PowerPoint program up and running with your presentation file ready to go. You probably already know this, but accessing your presentation is the first step to making any edits or enhancements, including cropping images. Once you're in your presentation, locate the specific slide containing the image you want to crop. This ensures you are set up to focus on the right slide and don't accidentally crop the wrong picture. Now go ahead and click directly on the image. This selection activates a host of image editing tools within PowerPoint that you'll use in just a moment. By selecting the image, you're telling PowerPoint, hey, I want to do something with this picture. With the picture selected, look to the top of your PowerPoint window to find the Picture Format tab. This tab is your gateway to all the tools you need to manipulate and refine your image. Clicking on it will reveal a variety of options specifically designed for picture editing. Now let's zero in on the part we're interested in, cropping. On the far right side of the Picture Format toolbar, you'll see the Crop option. Go ahead and click on it. This is where the magic starts. When you click this button, you'll see cropping handles. These are the little black dashes that appear along the edges of your image. They allow you to trim the picture down to your desired size. While you're in the cropping mode, you'll have two main options. Standard cropping, which lets you manually adjust the image's boundaries to cut out unwanted sections, or the imaginative crop to shape. This feature allows you to crop the image into various shapes like circles, triangles, and more. You might find this particularly useful for creating visually appealing slides that really capture your audience's attention. Remember, it's essential to think about the overall design of your slide and how cropping your image will impact that. Adjust your cropping carefully and thoughtfully. Then, when you're happy with your edit, simply click outside the image to finalize the crop. Your newly cropped image should now seamlessly fit into your slide design. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to crop images in PowerPoint, a fundamental skill that can elevate your presentations to a new level. I hope you found this step-by-step guide helpful. Thank you for watching, and be sure to join me next time for more PowerPoint tips and tricks.